back, guys. So starting off, I covered my tattoo with the Kat Von D Locket Tattoo Concealer. Really good. Now I'm covering my face with the Ben Nye Sky Blue Cream color. Basically applying it all over my face and neck. And I'm going down to my chest. You basically want to cover whatever you're showing in photos. So I am just covering my full face, neck to the top of my shoulders. Next, I will be applying the little worm I created. So I'm using my spirit gum and applying it on the top of my eyebrow. Now I'm going in with putty just to secure. Next, I want to highlight my face. So I'm basically using a clown white cream color. And I'm just adding some dimension to my face. Highlighting under my eye and on my chin and in between my brows as well, just to give it some great dimension. Now with that same clown white, I will be accentuating my collarbones. Hence the reason why I'm popping my collarbones out that way, just so you can see exactly where your collarbones are. Now I will be setting everything with baby powder, basically all over. Now with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette, I will be basically contouring my face. So I'm using the shade Blue Monday. Now guys, keep in mind, since we're contouring for a skeleton-like character, this is the reason why the contour is so harsh and I'm blending it all the way down to my mouth. I want to make it look very skeleton-like, and I am also contouring on my forehead. Now with that same Blue Monday shade, I'm basically making an oval shape around the eyes since she has really exaggerated eyes. Now with Undertaker, which is like a navy, I want to deepen up that crease. So right along that blue shade, we're just applying the Undertaker color just to deepen it up. Now with the shade I'm Cold, I'm just applying it in the middle, just so that way I can give it some sort of a highlight and pop of color. Now surrounding the I'm Cold color, I am applying Deceased, basically around the perimeters of I'm Cold to finish up that blend. Next, with my jumbo eye pencil, I'm just drawing in my waterline just to make it appear a little doll-like. Now with the same eyeshadow colors I used on the top, I will be using on the bottom just to finish up that eye look. Since I wanted the eye to pop a little more, I am using the color Cullinan just in the middle where I had that light baby blue shade. Next, with the Kryolan water-based paint, I will be applying black as if there's a hole in her skull for the worm. Since I wanted to appear more detailed, I'm just adding little cracks throughout that hole. Next is the eyebrows. So since she has little Tim Burton eyebrows, I'm just drawing those in with the same black water-based paint. Now, since this character is obviously a skeleton, I'm just drawing the nose holes a little bit bigger, just so it appears like a skeleton face. Next, I want to apply some contour on my nose. And with that clown white again, I'm just softening up that contour. Now I'm just taking off the cream-based product off my lips. With an Ofra lip liner called So Sweet, I'm just lining my lips. Next, with the NYX Vivid Brights Vivid Sapphire liquid liner, I'm just applying little frown lines. Now with the NYX black liner, I'm just applying a little detail. So just in areas that I want it to pop a little more. Next, I want to accentuate my collarbone a little more, so I'm just using the same blues that I use on my eyes. Now with a white Kryolan water-based paint, I'm just applying her little skeleton arm that she has. And here's the final look, guys. I hope you liked it. And if you do, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks. See you next time.